Hey guys, this is Mirza with WTI, and I wanted to share with you my new cleansing balm that has helped me, especially the type of skin that I have. My skin is prone to be to the drier side. It's also very sensitive, and since I've had a second-degree burn around my nose, I have to be really careful on what I use, especially cleansers for my face to remove either makeup or just to clean my face in the morning. This has been amazing. The texture of it is very dewy on my face. It smells amazing. It smells very clean. It reminds me like if I was at the beach. But a little bit goes along the ways depending on what you're trying to do. For example, if I kind of have somewhat of makeup on, I do apply it all over my face to remove my makeup, and it comes right off. If I'm just cleansing my face in the morning, a little bit goes on my face and it makes it feel fresh. So I have enjoyed it very much. It's been very helpful for the type of skin that I have, and I have enjoyed it, and this was my point of view.